This is Sony Xperia XA2, and today I would like to show how you can check your data usage on this device. So to start, you will need to launch Settings, then enter the Network and Internet category. Next, open the data usage page, and over here at the very top you have the general amount of cellular data you have used. If you would like to see more detailed statistics, just go for the app data usage over here, and you'll see how much of your mobile or cellular data any given app used. Then you can also open the Wi-Fi data usage page and see the Wi-Fi usage per app as well. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.